Everyone. Welcome back to Tech Boomerang. Today we will see how to cast a mobile screen on the laptop screen and use your mobile from the laptop like this, that I am swiping right and left using my mouse pointer and going through any setting. So do such type of things. You have to set up some sort of things in your mobile phone and in your laptop, and it will also help teachers and the online educators who cannot afford the price of the writing pads or the such other stuffs for teaching the students. In this, we can type, write anything on our mobile screen, and it will be displayed in our more laptop screen, and it is much less lag free instead of using the Connect app or the other similar apps, because it's working using the USB cable. So to set up this, we have to on our USB debugging mode on our mobile phone, and it is simply present in our developer option. If your developer option is not shown in your setting, then go to your about phone and then go to your software information and then on the build number, then simply click 4 5 times on it, because in my case it's already on, so it will not prompt. And if it is not on in your system, it will simply say that it's your developer mode is on. Then go to your developer option and then just on the USB debugging. This just make sure that this function USB debugging mode is on. Then your work is over in your mobile phone. Then go to the laptop and download the two things. One is your SDK platform tool for your Windows or Mac or like the Linux, and the second thing is the Jenny Mobile SERCPY, which is the tool for the which is the tool which is used for the casting of your mobile screen on the laptop, and the much other functionalities is present in this tool. So firstly, download the platform tool according to your version of your operating system. As I'm using Windows and I have already downloaded it in my system, here is it. Then it's unzip, go and unzip, I have already done. Then just copy these things and then go to your C drive, then make a new folder named ADB and just copy all the things here. Okay, in my case all the things are already copied, so I am not going to again copy it. Then go to the Jenny Mobile screen CPY, then download the version for the Windows, or if you are using Linux then you can go through this, and for Mac you can go to Brew. And I have same with it, I have also downloaded it, unzipped it, and then copy it into the save folder here. And there will be a prompt showing that the some files are required to replace, then go replace it and then open your command prompt. Then simply go to your ADB folder and check about the devices. Oh, sorry. It will prompt a device. You have to make sure that you have connected the J- U, USB with your mobile phone and connected it with the laptop USB port, and then there is a message shown in your laptop, and then you have to allow it. Then you can run this command sercpy.exe, and your mobile screen is on your laptop, and it is much easy to do, and it's very less lag present in this, and much sketches or anything you can do, or you can teach is simply x square plus y square is useful to your students if you want to teach using it, and you can do much thing with it. Thank you for watching.